Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a review on the Roomba J7 Plus with self-empty. Got the phone here. We're going to do this whole area right by the Roomba base. So I'm going to scroll down to rug and do 2 passes, and then I'm going to start it. And now it's going to be sent out. Now it's going to just do that whole area right there. So it's just gonna finish up its job here. Then it's gonna head back to the base and empty. Later on in my videos, I will start by putting stuff on the ground to do some testing with these things, some real testing. But as of right now, I don't have anything on the ground yet. Stuff will be put on the ground soon. Oh, okay. Well, it's now gonna head back to its dock, and then it's gonna go back to there. Then all this dirt goes through there. Then it's gonna go up and self-empty itself. It's all gonna self-empty right there. Now once it does that, it's complete. Wow. Alright guys, well that seems to be it. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Trying to reach up to at least 100 subscribers by the end of next month. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.